Now let's girth the horse. We're starting on the off side or right side of the horse. Here we have the billet strap that's sewn onto the saddle and the overgirth strap that goes across the top of the saddle. We've already made sure that these two straps are about even and that the holes are lining up. The next step is to put the two straps through the buckles on the girth, and these are the buckles that are opposite where the pull-up strap is. When we girth this, we want to make sure that the buckles are on the sweat flap so that there's no chance of the horse getting pinched between the girth and the sweat flap. The buckles can be as low as here or they can be as high as here, but the idea is once we've finished we want these D-rings to be about in the middle of the horse. So let's go ahead and put these on. Like so. And then we'll put the straps through your keepers and let the girth hang straight down. Now we're going to check to make sure that the saddle is in the correct position. We want the girth to be directly behind the horse's stride there, and you can see that this is way too far back at this point. We're going to move the saddle forward until we have the girth in the proper place, right about there. Now we'll move to the on side of the saddle. Now that we've made sure that the saddle is in the correct position and that the D-rings on the girth are about in the middle, we're ready to finish girthing up. First, take the billet strap that's sewn to the saddle and put it through the buckle on the girth and tighten it up just enough to keep it in place. Then take the pull-up strap on the girth and put it through the D-ring on the overgirth. Then back through the girth and pull up. And look at all the leverage you get with the pull-up strap. Then tighten each of these straps as necessary, walking it up until you have a nice tight girth. Then put your billet straps through the keepers and you're all finished.